Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how I make suya. I'm also going to show you how I slice the meat, just in case your butcher refuses to do that for you. So now let's get started. Okay, now I'm not an expert, but this gets me a few nice slices and could be a little messy. So we'll be using a sterile glove and of course a very sharp knife. Freezing the meat for like 30 minutes will make it easier to cut through. Here are some of the slices I got. It doesn't have to be perfect, but if you can, try to get it as wide as possible because the meat shrinks as it cooks. Now the next step is to carefully insert the skewers into the meat. When you're done with all the fillets, combine the vegetable oil with your spice mix, then brush it generously on the meats, making sure all the parts are covered with the oil. Also pour some suya spice over the meat, making sure the meat is all coated with the suya spice. Alternatively, you can pour the suya spice on a tray and place the meat on it, making sure to coat both sides properly. Now when we're done with that, we'll cover with a cling film or foil paper and leave the meat to marinate for at least 1 hour. About 10 minutes before the 1 hour is over, preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Then place the marinated meat into the oven and let it grill 15 minutes on both sides. While the suya is grilling, make sure to oil it from time to time with the oil and spice mixture so that it doesn't come out dry. And now your suya is ready. Serve as you please and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it below, subscribe and click on the bell button for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.